In person, hybrid, or live? Which is best for you? Listen in as I discuss the future of events with Meeting Professionals International, Annette Gregg. So we're seeing the industry meeting people where they are.
Yes.
They're providing space that's available for those that are willing to do face-to-face or have that desire, which is important. We see value there. But when we're doing meetings, we're providing less structure and less of a demand on the education piece and more time for people to get together.
Right.
But then there's the hybrid model, right? Where you have people in person, but then people can also connect from anywhere in the world.
Right.
And is that what you're finding as well?
Well, absolutely. And I think you made a good point earlier about what our industry has also shed a light on how we articulate the value of face-to-face. So the hybrid model, what it's shown us is not that it's always less expensive, but it can be less expensive to do a virtual conference than a live conference. It can give people the convenience of sitting in their house in Japan, and they can now attend a US-based event. So all those things are good about the virtual side of things. We maybe are more inclusive. We have a larger audience that couldn't join us in person before. Again, it gives them the flexibility of watching when they want to. However, what we also know, and especially coming out of COVID lockdown, is that not being with people in person has caused a tremendous amount of mental strain, right? We have emotional issues with being isolated. And so there's a whole lot of neuroscience just around how being face-to-face with someone unlocks those healthy brain chemicals, right? It ignites the brain in a different way than can ever be achieved in a video format like we're doing today. So I think what we have really learned is that we need to articulate things like that, how the face-to-face connection will never be replicated online in such a powerful way. How people learn, retention is higher when it's face-to-face versus an online. So we have data points around that we need to be able to articulate. And finally, business gets done more efficiently when you're face-to-face. We had that data come out of the Great Recession of 2008, 2009. Meetings Mean Business did a really good job creating some talking points around why meeting face-to-face is actually a better business proposition, where you can close a deal, say, with 2 face-to-face meetings versus 9 phone calls, sort of thing. So there's a lot of data around, and that just goes back to the trust that's built when you can shake someone's hand and look at them in the eye and be with them. That trust, you gain that faster versus a virtual environment.